Wow. No, this level is closed.
This metal's closed.
Not gonna go again. Where to? One?
Yeah.
Let's try one. This feels weird. This is fun.
I don't think this is where we get out. No.
This is a parking
What
ramp.
floor? Should we try 5? Let's go with 5. See what that is.
Good grief, Cameron. You're gonna have us riding an elevator all day.
Yes.
This is like a carnival ride.
Well, yeah, but we're not here for a
Yeah.
carnival ride.
Okay, is this what we need? Let's just go in.
No, because these are.
We're crying out loud.
Cameron, do you know what you're doing?
No.
Okay, which.
I'm afraid this is going to be all parking ramp.
Nope.
Walkway to Macy's.
Well.
We would take the walkway into Macy's.
Okay.
Yeah, Macy's. Oh, I feel weird.